Ready to unlock a wealth of information and enrich your data with People Data Labs using N8n's powerful HTTP request node? Let's jump right in. First, drag and drop an HTTP request node onto your N8n canvas. This will be the core of our connection to People Data Labs. Now, in the HTTP request node settings, change the method to post. People Data Labs typically uses post requests for data enrichment. Next, you need to enter the correct URL endpoint provided by People Data Labs. This will vary depending on which enrichment service you're using. Refer to their API documentation to find the exact URL you need. Under the body section, select the Form Data option. This allows us to easily send key value pairs to People Data Labs. Here's where the magic happens. Add key value pairs representing the data you want to enrich. For example, you might have email as the key and your user's email address as the value. Remember to replace the example values with your actual data. Almost there. Now, open the header section. We need to include your People Data Labs API key. Add a new header with the keys API key and paste your unique People Data Labs API key. It's the value. This authenticates your request. Finally, click Execute. Now, if everything is configured correctly, you should receive a response from People Data Labs containing the enriched data. You can then connect this data to other nodes in your N8n workflow. That's it. Start enriching.